Hello guys, welcome to CAD CAM PDF. Today's tutorial is on Mastercam 2019 for milling. So in this tutorial we're gonna do 2D model. We are gonna do geometry using circles, and then we're gonna draw polygon, plus we're gonna create milling operations like 2D counter, chamfering the sharp edges, and then we're gonna do engraving, which is very interesting. You're gonna find out later on in this video. So before starting the video, I just gonna say please do like, share and comment if you found this tutorial useful, and please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. So let's get started. First of all, go to wireframe, select a circle and then click on, we're gonna make diameter 5. Cool. Click over here in the center and you're gonna see its blue circle, and its circle is drawn. Then click on green one, OK. And then next is we're gonna draw our polygon. So click on here below the rectangle tab, click on polygon, and then we're gonna make our radius 4.5. Oh, sorry, not 4.5 actually, 2.5, not even 2.5. So we're gonna draw polygon. Click on polygon over here, and then make it 2 2 inches, and then over here. Okay. So after that we're gonna go to draw a polygon, which is go to rectangle tab. Below you can see this arrow. Click over here, go to polygon, click over here, and our radius is 2, and lock it. Boom. Okay. So our next step, we're gonna create a letters. Click over here and then put whatever you want. Like I'm gonna put my YouTube channel name, CAD CAM PDF. Okay. And now I'm gonna change its dimensions, bold. Then you can choose any of it. Let me see which I'm gonna use. Ooh, let's go impact. Okay. Okay. And then we're gonna put this on the side and then go OK. Now we're gonna move this whole our whole letters in a center of this drawing. So we're gonna go to transform, click on translate, then they're gonna say select the entities, then drag the mouse from here to here and select all the letters and selection. Then we're gonna go by X, which is click over here, and then take this one, click over, you're gonna see the circle I move there, it means it's not in center. When I go over here, it's in center. So you can just simply go over there when you see the circle, like here. So I'm gonna just left click, boom, and now go to for Y. Zoom out a little bit for Y. Go to over here. So simply again, gonna be same thing. Click, just click over here, and then it's gonna be move. Okay. So now it's in center. Actually, it doesn't look from here it's center, but it looks from here it's in center. Or if it's don't look in center, okay. for doing this, we're gonna move this part. Okay, now we're gonna move this parts. Okay, now we're gonna move our letters in the center. Go to transform, click on translate, go XY, and then okay, wait. And now we're gonna create letters. Click over here. I already created this one, so I'm gonna show you from the just wait. Okay, click over here. So now we're gonna create a letters for engraving. For that we have to go to create letters. Click over here and then put whatever you want to engrave. For example, we're gonna put here CAD CAM PDF. Okay, you can change the style here, like you want bold or regular, and then I'm gonna go Yoke 10. Okay, now you see it's bigger than my actually geometry. To make it smaller, I'm gonna go to height, click over here. Now you're gonna see it's you're gonna go a little bit more down, and I guess that should be good. Yeah, so now let's drag it, drop it here, click OK, and now we need to move this inside our geometry in symmetry. So we're gonna translate this. So for that we have to go to transform, click on translate, select all alphabets and selection, move, click over here, and just simply drag here, and then go for Y, move, simply drag here. Oh, oh. And then here, this should be good, and then click OK, And now our geometry is completed. Now we're gonna go to machining. For that, we need to go to machine tab, click on mill, default. We need to set up stock. Click on stock setup. For now, here we need to shape this as cylindrical by Z axis. So click on all entities. This is our 5 inches diameter as we draw our first circle. And this is gonna be our 2 inches, actually 1.5. And our Z will be minus 1.5. Click OK. And now you can see our stock setup. Click on top. And now again go to contour, select this chain, and click OK. Go to tool. We're gonna use half inch end mill. Click on end mill. OK. Filter. OK. Half inch end mill. Comment. Removing outside material. And then go to our depth parameters. Make sure these are 0, 0. And then go to linking parameters. Before going, you need to go to lead in and out. Change it to 60%. Same with this, and then copy this to another exit. Go to linking parameters, clearance, and everything should be absolute. And our depth gonna be 0.5 minus negative 0.5. It's absolute. And then click OK. Now you're gonna see tool is generating the toolpath. To verify it, let's go to verify tab, and now you're gonna see. Come on, here go on isometric view. I'm gonna zoom it a little bit and start. See, okay, that means good. Now we're gonna go our second operation. Click on top, and now go to chamfer. We're gonna same contour. Click on same chain, and then this one. Okay. Now this time I'm gonna click on filter tool, and we're gonna click on chamfer mill. Okay. Click OK. Moving. Click on cutting parameters, and here now we need to focus, guys. Click on 2D chamfer, then set up our chamfer as 0.02, 0.05, 0.05, 0.02. Make sure these are 0 here. Now lead in, lead out, same thing, 60 60, move it to here. Then linking parameters, everything should be in absolute. And then our depth is, we don't have to define it because we already did over here in our tools, where in our cutting parameters. Here you can see, so we don't need to put our depth in linking parameters. So click on OK. Okay, so here they're using use chamfer, spherical or bulk mill. Okay, okay. So okay, now we're gonna remove sharp edges as a chamfer. Click on contour, click on chain, click OK, go to tool, filter, make it ignore make it chamfer mill. Okay, then go to select tool library. We're gonna use 3 by 4 chamfer. Okay, cutting diameter here, guys. You need to focus. Click on 2D chamfer. Now here we're gonna put 0.02 and this is gonna be a 0.05, or you can put 0.02, both. Make sure stock to lips on walls are 0. Gradient need around 60%, 60%, same copy over here. Go to linking parameters, everything should be in absolute. We don't need to set up depth because we already did over here in cutting parameters our depth. So now simply click OK. Now you're gonna see a toolpath generated. To see it, click on OK, verify. Now view isometric view. Okay, so let's get started. So here, this is a 2D counter removing outside material, and now it's chamfered. Let's see, chamfered. It's just need to remove sharp edges. So now we're gonna do engraving. Exit. Click on top. Go to engrave. Select window and select all the letters. And then click over here. Then we need to select our tool. Select tool library. First go to filter, none, and go to engrave tool. Okay, select tool library. Then we're gonna give 1 by 4 inch engraving tool. Click OK. So and engraving text. Then engraving parameters. Click clearance. Make sure it's absolute, absolute, absolute. Then depth should be 0.2, 0.125, and then so when you don't need to do anything here, just click OK. The current top of stock or depth values are invalid. Oops. Yes. You know where we do mistake? I'll show you. Okay. Go to parameters, engraving parameters, and over here you see, and depth is minus 0.125. Click OK. And now you're gonna see, over here machining, it's gonna engrave, verify. Okay, let's go to isometric view. And here you go. You see how it's engraving. It looks super cool, guys. And in last, it's all done. So now we're gonna do verify our all operations together. Close this window, click on machine groups, select all, and then click on verify. Now you're gonna see our 2D model is ready. Click on verify, and then you can use color loop. Then get a little bit slower. Start. First 2D counter removing outside material, chamfering, and then engraving. Okay, let's redo. Okay, so now click on here. You see 2D, removing outside material, chamfered, and now see how it's going for engraving. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do consider subscribing for more updates. Thank you.